Again, we're going 6 laps around our course today.
Attention all aircraft, runway 8 is foul.
So Dennis Sanders looks like he might be the man to beat in this race.
I think so. I think he'll have this one under control here. The Mustang guys aren't pushing it up too hard, trying to be nice to those engines early in the week.
Gentlemen, we have a race.
All right, they have got them lined up, and we are racing right now. Should be appearing, coming over the crowd here in just moments. There they are, underway with Unlimited Heat 2B.
62,
So they got to hold that line for how long, Andrew?
Yeah, you try to maintain your lane until you get past that guide pylon, and really you're still in formation at this part of the course coming down. You're trying to keep it safe, trying to give everybody a chance to stretch out a little bit, and then as you roll up into pylon 4, then you'll start seeing some passing, see who's got the speed out there. So it looks like Dennis is up high. Those Mustangs are down low.
We got 2 silver planes out in the lead. They get on the other side of the course, and it's kind of hard to see who's who, so we'll just be patient and let them come into range enough so we can see who is actually out there.
So on that first lap, it's a ton of fun coming out in outer 5, outer 6. You have a lot of energy, and you're pushing it down to get wings level through the valley of speed. Really watching the airspeed come up. You can drop it right down on the deck and watch the sagebrush zipping by.
I believe that is Dennis Sanders, is it not, out front there in the Sea Fury? Race number 3. I heard just a little sample of the audio. We're going to bring you right there.
Exactly. Here it comes.
Yep, there comes Dennis Sanders. Eagle's wings taking over what advantage is it? I mean, and it's huge, really, getting that early lead, right, Andrew?
Absolutely, yeah. Getting out in that clean air, especially with the Unlimiteds, there's a lot of wake turbulence in there. So you'll see the second place guy, the line he's flying, he's going to get bounced around a little bit out there. So, yeah, if you get at that start, you get that clean air, it makes it a lot easier to fly a good line.
That roar as they come across the start-finish pylon, there's nothing like it. You can sort of feel it down deep in your chest for everyone who's out in the grandstands here today. Glad you're able to experience it with us at home as we bring you live racing. There's our leader again, Dennis Sanders. Looking about as comfortable as he did in yesterday's heat.
Absolutely.
That's the airplane down low out front. This is right now. Back behind him, we have Vance trying to move into second place as they pass the steel start finish pylon. Right behind him should be Brant, Seghetti, and Blondie. That is the Seghetti family airplane.
Dennis down there in the Valley of Speed.
Look at him, just very efficient, perfect line. This guy's been there before. He has got the experience, the time in the seat, doesn't he?
Absolutely, yeah. They have a long history here with Dreadnought, Argonaut, 924. They're the beginning of the Sea Fury. Dennis is the place. Here he comes by home pylon.
That sound coming through is unmistakable. That's what puts people in the grandstands. We can't say that.
Looks like Dan Vance is pushing it up a little bit, trying to catch him. He got past Brant.
It's Dan Vance, the Speedball, Alice, the P-51 Mustang. Not troubling our leader as yet. Still got the leader in our sights there, and that is Dennis Sanders. Ione, California on Eagle's wings. The Sea Fury had no trouble winning this heat yesterday. Here's second place, Dan Vance.
Coming around outer 5, rolling into the Valley of Speed as well. Yeah, as the speeds go up, you'll see these guys kind of start to roll level in there, but as the speeds get faster and faster, you're almost in a constant bank that whole time. You can see down nice and low.
Aircraft emergency in progress, wind 11, wind 100 up 9.
Okay, we heard the traffic there. Is maybe an emergency on the air.
Yeah, it looks like somebody pulled off the back of the course there.
Going to leave the race. And we'll try to run that down for you as fast as we can. Let's go back up to our leader right now. It remains and has been since the start of the race. Dennis Sanders, race number 3. Beautiful, perfect day for racing out here. Had a light breeze compared to Wednesday and Thursday. It was a little bit rough. In fact, you guys couldn't race on Wednesday.
Yeah, they had the lighter guys there on Wednesday, and it was a little too rough for them. Monday, Tuesday was pretty bumpy qualifying. So it looks like they're overhead. They got plenty of altitude. Yeah, look at that.
And Vance and Brent Seghetti. 2 and 3, race 31 and race 44 going at it on the racetrack there for second place. Already into lap 4 of our 6 laps.
Here comes Dennis, about to finish up.
There's Dennis Vance. There's your winner. Oh, no, sorry. They're just finishing lap 4. This is the white flag lap here. Should be coming up here. 3rd and 4th right here.
Looks like the King Cobra and P-51 going at it on the backside of the course there, bringing up the tail end. Looks like those guys are just having fun out there.
Yeah, they're not getting too worked up about it. Yeah, no, why not? You're here to enjoy the experience.
Oh,
right?
Absolutely. It's great to see these old warbirds out here and pushing them up. It's not just an air show. They're out there pushing them and making noise and turning fast.
A museum where they race. Now, how are you going to beat that?
Exactly, yeah.
Just a perfect situation for everyone who's a fan of aviation or racing and motorsports in general.
That's right. Look at this, coming wingtip to wingtip right by the home pylon.
Well, that one's far from settled, that place right there. We're going to back to our leader right now.
Here comes Dennis.
Dennis Sanders, race 3. Sea Fury just absolutely in charge, as it was in the first lap.
Yeah, white flag lap.
One more to go.
So as we come around home pylon, we can see Dennis here. As he goes up 2 to 3, you kind of start to climb. There's about a 200-foot climb as you come up between 3 and 4. And you're looking for a couple of pieces of sagebrush and little white spots down there on the ground for your sighting. Because when you're at 3, you can't quite see 4, so it's a little bit over the hill that he's looking for his reference point.
So you got a few markers along the way.
Yep. Yeah, you got a few road crossings, a few pieces of sagebrush that are your favorite lines. You pick those out, bring it on around.
Experience helps. Time in the seat, time competing here at Reno has got to help anyone who wants to take home the gold at the end of this special week in the high desert.
Starcraft aircraft emergency has been terminated.
All right, our emergency situation has now been terminated. We'll get the details for you on that as we receive them.
Comes Dennis into the Valley of Speed one last time for this heat.
All right, and he's lapping planes right now, and Dennis Sanders is going to put a bow on it and wrap it up.
Yep, catching up to that King Cobra by the steel home finish line.
2 victories right there. Now we're looking for second place and third place. The battle right now, it's between race 31.
Dan Vance bringing his P-51.
And Vance holding it down. All right, so first and second are in the books unofficially right now. The race for third and fourth still on the back of the racetrack right now.
Check performance control on 121.05.
Here's Mike Flager.
Mike Flager's completed his 6 laps. A couple more planes. One more plane out there, I do believe.
Yeah, 2 more in the Valley of Speed.
Yeah, 2 in the Valley of Speed. It's hard to tell who's been lapped and
I know, yeah.
who's got one extra to go here.
All right, here they come, final turn, coming around 7, 8, and 9.
That was Crusader JP Thibodeau, race 21.
Here comes that beautiful King Cobra P63.
There's the King Cobra, the P63C. Nope, excuse me.
Tracers off the course.
No, that was Bunny. That was race 62.
Runway we use is race control. Runway east, wind 140 at 8.
All right, and that race is in the